For decades, Dr. Jill Clapperton, Rhizosphere Ecologist and owner of Rhizoterra, has helped farmers around the world build healthier soil by strategically using plants. Her science-based approach and hands-on experience have made her one of the most trusted voices in regenerative agriculture. Now, you can learn directly from Jill and from the top farmers and researchers in her global network through in-depth video interviews that reveal the art and science behind building soil health and creating better food. Introducing RegenFlix, the members area on the Rhizoterra website. Jill's complete video library lets you dive deep into the science and strategy of building healthier soil. You'll find scientific presentations by Jill, in-depth interviews with top farmers and researchers, and DIY marketing courses to help you tell your story. And for those seeking personalized guidance, the premier option gives direct access to Jill's decades of scientific expertise. RegenFlix offers 3 membership levels. Sprout gives you a rotating, curated sample of RegenFlix content. Canopy unlocks the full learning library. And Harvest Circle, our premier level, gives you all our library content at a discounted annual rate, plus multiple ways to engage directly with Jill on your toughest soil health questions, including her office hour Q&A video calls and access to her Regenerative Unlimited WhatsApp chat. You can get started for only $5 a month, and during our holiday season sale, the Premier Harvest Circle plan is 25% off with code RegenFlix25. Join us inside RegenFlix and start learning directly from Jill's decades of scientific expertise. Visit Rhizoterra.com and click Join RegenFlix at the top of the page.